In this video, we're comparing FlowSavvy versus Motion. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. FlowSavvy is very easy to set up and start using right away. Its onboarding flow helps you connect Google, iCloud, or Outlook calendars and builds a full schedule in seconds. It feels like a regular calendar, but uses AI to automate all your time blocking without unnecessary complexity. Motion is much more complex and has a steeper learning curve for beginners. You must set up detailed workspaces, define team roles, and configure project rules before the AI can effectively manage your day. This makes it a powerful tool, but it requires much more management than a solo user typically needs. Verdict: FlowSavvy is better for individual users who don't want complicated team workflows. Features and functionality. FlowSavvy's powerful auto-scheduling engine handles the messiness of a real-world to-do list. Instead of just placing tasks in a list, its algorithm analyzes your availability to find the most logical time for every task. It can automatically split larger tasks into manageable chunks so they fit into small gaps between meetings. You can choose a balance setting that intelligently spreads work across several days to prevent burnout. If you fall behind, a single click of the Recalculate button instantly rebuilds your entire week. Motion functions more as an AI productivity suite aimed at broader project coordination. While it also auto-schedules, it is designed to build entire project plans from scratch and can even predict project completion dates based on a team's total capacity. It also features an AI note-taker that joins your virtual meetings to record transcripts, summarize key points, and automatically assign new tasks to team members. Verdict: FlowSavvy wins for personal auto-scheduling and focus. Motion wins for team-wide project coordination. Pricing. FlowSavvy is very budget-friendly and offers a free version for basic personal use. At the time of making this video, the Pro plan is only $14 a month, or $10 per month if you pay for the full year upfront. Motion does not have a free plan and only offers a 7-day free trial. Its pricing starts at $29 per month for individuals when billed annually, or $49 if you pay month to month. Verdict: FlowSavvy is much more affordable for most people. Support and reliability. FlowSavvy has a high-quality mobile app that is fully functional and offers everything the website does. Its AI uses a reliable algorithm to rebuild your schedule almost instantly whenever your plans change. While Motion has a powerful mobile app, it is sometimes criticized for having a steeper learning curve compared to its desktop version. Motion is built for team success and offers excellent business support, but users occasionally report minor lags when syncing calendars across multiple platforms. Verdict: FlowSavvy is the more reliable choice for quick adjustments on the go. Extra perks. FlowSavvy allows you to choose between front-loading your work to finish early or spreading it out using a balanced workload option to reduce daily stress. This flexibility helps you maintain a calm pace throughout a busy week. Motion does not block social media apps directly, but it uses a meeting defender feature to block off focus time on your calendar so meetings cannot interrupt your deep work. For teams, Motion provides a bird's-eye view of everyone's bandwidth, which helps predict project timelines and prevents from burnouts. Verdict: FlowSavvy is the winner for personal stress management, while Motion is best for protecting your time from meeting interruptions. Final verdicts. If you want a simple, low-cost way to plan your day, FlowSavvy is the better choice. It is the perfect alternative for people who find Motion too complicated or too expensive. But if you lead a team and need to manage everyone works in one place, Motion is worth the extra cost for its advanced coordination tools. For most solo workers, I recommend FlowSavvy for a calmer and more affordable experience. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.